kids. Today we will finish with exercise 5A. Now we are on the question number 5. Here we will learn to find out the HCF by prime factorization method. What we have to do, we have to find out the prime factorization of all these three numbers. I have solved it here. And then we have to find out the common factor in all the three numbers. And out of the common numbers, we have to multiply all, and then you will get the HCF of the number. See how. 36. 36 is divisible by 2 as it is an even number. 2 1s are 2 and 2 8s are 16. 2 18s are 36. Now again this 18 is divisible by 2. 2 9s are 18. Now 9 is divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9 and 3 again divided by 3. 3 1s are 3. Now we will find out the prime factorization of 48. So 2 24s are 48. Now 24 again divisible by 2. 2 12s are 24. Again divide by 2. 2 6s are 12. 2 3s are 6 and 3 divide by 1. 3 1s are 3. So in this way we will find out the prime factorization of 48, and then at last we will find out prime factorization of 60. 60 again even number. Divide by 2. 2 30s are 60. Again it is an even number. 2 15s are 30. Now 15 is an odd number. Divide by 3. 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. Now we can see out of these factorization, here 2 is common, again 2 is common, and 1 time 3 is repeated everywhere. So 2 into 2 into 3, this is the HCF. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So 12 is the HCF of 36, 48 and 60. Same we have to do here. We have to find out the prime factorization of 28, then 42, and at last 56. And then we will find out the common factor. Here 2, here 2 and here 2. 1 time 2 is common and 1 time 7 is common. That means 2 7s are 14. 14 is the HCF of these three numbers. Now we will find out the HCF by long division method. What we have to do, we have to divide both the numbers together. Now as we can see, both the numbers are ended by 5. Here also 325 ended by 5. Here also 145 ended by 5. That means the number is divisible in the table of 5 only. So 5 29s are 145 and 5 65s are 325. Now we can see 29 and 35. Both the numbers are not at all divisible in any of the table. As 29 is a prime number, it will come in its own table. So both the numbers will not be divided. So what is the HCF of this 145 and 329? This is 5 only. So here we have to write down HCF of 145 and 325 is equals to 5 only. Now we will see the second question, that is 6C. 495 and 945. Again both the numbers are ended by 5. So we can easily divide it with table of 5. 5 99s are 495 and 5 189s are 945. Now these two numbers can be divided by 3. 3 33s are 99 and 3 63s are 189. Again divide by 3. 3 11s are 33 and 3 21s are 63. Now 11 and 21. Both these numbers are not divisible in any other table. As 11 is a prime number, it will come in its own table only. So it will not be divided. So 5 into 3 into 3. That is 45. This is the HCF of both the numbers. So we have learned 4 methods to find out the HCF. First one is factor method. Second one is prime factorization method. Third one is Here, long division method. And fourth method we will learn in the next class. Only 3 methods we have learned. Now in the question number 7, we will find out LCM by prime factorization method. LCM means lowest common multiple. Means we have to find out the multiples. Multiples means table of a given number. So here we have to find out prime factorization of 56 and 32. So here we have done prime factorization. In the table of 2, 28 times 56 will come. Again we will use only 2 because it is divisible by 2. So 2 14s are 28. 2 7s are 14 and 7 1s are 7. Now here we will divide 32 with 2 because it is an even number. 2 16s are 32. 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. Now how to find out LCM? First of all we will find out the common number in both. Here one pair of 2 is common. Again one pair of 2 is common. Here also one pair of 2 is common. So only 3 times 2 is common here. So we will write down 3 times 2 as a common factor. And then 7 is uncommon. Take this also. And these 2 which are, there is no pair for common in them. These also we will take. Now multiply all. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32 and 32 7s are 224. That means LCM of these two numbers is 224. Take one more example. Here we will take LCM of 25 and 40. First of all find out the prime factorization of 25. 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. Here 5 8s are 40, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So here we can see only one time 5 is common. So take that common factor and then this 5 is remained and 3 times 2 is remained unpaired. Multiply all. 5 5s are 25, 25 2s are 50, 50 2s are 100 and 100 2s are 200. Now we will find out lowest common multiple by division method. Division method means take all the numbers together and divide it till we get 1 in the end. See here, 39, 45 and 54. All these 3 number is divisible by 3. So 3 13s are 39, 3 15s are 45 and 3 18s are 54. Now this 13, 15, 18. Out of these 3 numbers, this 13 will not get divided in any number because it is a prime number. So leave it as it is. 15 and 18 is divisible by 3. 3 5s are 15. 3 6s are 18. Now we have 3 numbers 13, 5 and 6. Here 13 and 5 we are getting prime numbers. Leave as it is. But 6 is not prime. Again it will be divided by 3. 3 2s are 6. Now we got 3 prime numbers here. So these 3 prime numbers will be divided in its own table. So 2 1s are 2. We will write as it is. 5 1s are 5. Write down 13 as it is. And 13 1s are 13. Now in the end we got all 1 1 1. Now what will be the LCM of these 3 numbers? Multiply all these numbers, you will get the LCM. 3 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 5 into 13. So we will get 3510. Now we will move ahead and this is the last question of this exercise. We have to find out the LCM of these 3 numbers by common division method. So first of all we will divide these numbers by 5 as the last digit is 5 and 0. So 5 5s are 25, 5 8s are 40 and 5 24s are 120. Now out of these 3, this is the only prime number, divide this. 5 1s are 5. These 2 numbers are not divisible by 5, put as it is in the next column. Now 8 and 24 is divided by 2. 2 4s are 8 and 2 12s are 24. Now 4 and 12, these two will be divided by 2 because these are even numbers. 2 2s are 4 and 2 6s are 12. Now 2 and 3, again even number, divide by 2. 2 1s are 2 and 2 3s are 6. Now the last is 3 only. This is again prime number, divided with 3. 3 1s are 3. Now in the end we got 1 1 1. Now how to find out the LCM? Multiply all these numbers. 5 into 5 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. That is 600. 5 5s are 25. 25 2s are 50. 50 2s are 100. 100 2s are 200. 200 3s are 600. So LCM of all these three numbers is 600. Now this is the end of the chapter. All these questions you have to complete in your classwork register. And today I am giving you our homework from exercise 5A. Do it properly. We are getting 2 days leave, Saturday and Sunday. Complete your homework positively in your homework copies. And all this work which I have explained in the classwork register. Thank you for today. Goodbye.